To begin, open the Spotify app on your phone. Now, search for the song you would like to share. You can either tap the three dots next to the song's name and tap the share icon, or open the playback screen at the bottom and tap the share icon. Depending on the song you are sharing, you may have the option to change the background of your story post to have video clips, or a solid colored background, or gradient color, or a photo. Pick the background option you prefer. Next, from the bottom menu options, tap the Instagram icon labeled Stories. This will open the Instagram app with the story editor window, and your selected song and background option will be loaded in from Spotify, including the audio. You can resize the album cover and reposition it anywhere on your story, just like any other Instagram sticker. You can add extra text or stickers to customize your story. When you're done editing, tap Your Story or Close Friends at the bottom to share it. Your story will then be published with the song and background you selected. When your followers view your story, they can tap the album cover or the text below your name to open the song directly in their Spotify app. So that's how you can share Spotify songs with sound on Instagram stories.